Hello, what's up guys? Marced here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can request for having your membership feature on your channel turned on or enabled once you get monetized. Alright guys, so after more or less 24 hours, upon checking, I am being approved or granted with my request to have my membership feature on. So let me just show you. So with that, I have to log into my YouTube account and go to YouTube Studio. And click on monetization. So if you see right there, there's memberships tab already. So that means my membership feature is being enabled already. So I am approved with my request. So that's a good news. So there you have it. That's the easy way to have your membership feature turned on or enabled. So on the next video, I'm going to show you on how you can turn on your join button, or how do you go about having your membership being published, being enabled. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet.